Hi, I'm Sam from Fine & Country. Welcome today to the Laurels in Harborough Magna, a delightful village just outside of Rugby and a few minutes from Rugby train station. This beautiful former farmhouse was first built in the 1800s and offers 4 amazing double bedrooms, 4 reception rooms and a paddock of just over an acre. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. In the Laurels, you get an enormous sense of space typical of a Victorian farmhouse. There's a host of attractive period features including fireplaces. There's a snug and a beautiful sitting room with windows providing natural light and doors that lead on to a sun-drenched garden. The house itself has 4 reception rooms. There's an impressive large dining room in the oldest part of the house with its exposed beams, inglenook fireplace with wood burner. There's a study, utility room and cloakroom and a cellar, whilst the kitchen is fitted with a range of bespoke units and has windows to front and rear. On the first floor there are 4 double bedrooms, including the impressive master suite with its vaulted ceiling, dressing area and beautifully appointed ensuite bathroom. The rest of the bedrooms are beautifully proportioned and decorated immaculately throughout. All have views to the rear or across the village. A great feature of this home is the delightful meandering walk that takes you 400 yards to the paddock, where you can sit and enjoy the views. You join me at the end of the tour in the Laurels paddock. Measuring just over an acre, it's an incredible place to have with your own property. So if you'd like to join me for an exclusive viewing, contact me on the details that are about to follow.